Hello, my name is Alexander Ivlev. I help people with fibromyalgia become free of chronic pain without any painkillers or therapy. In this video I will answer a basic question: how to become free of all symptoms connected with fibromyalgia without medication or therapy. And I have to tell you right now, I am not a doctor. I don't treat any pain. As a certified hypnotist, I teach people how to use self-hypnosis for own benefits, including pain reduction. And of course, if you take painkillers now and you want to stop using them, you must ask your doctor about it. Only doctor can decide what to do with your medication if you are not happy with it. Now, let's just think for a moment. What is your number one problem? Chronic pain? How about poor sleep? And also, how about brain fog, which is inability to focus on something, inability to think clearly? And how about all other strange symptoms? Whatever you experience. But if you have been diagnosed with fibromyalgia, your doctor probably told you already that the main problem is pain, chronic pain, and poor sleep. If you think about it, poor sleep is a result of such a problem. Because you are suffering from chronic pain, of course you cannot sleep well. And of course, if you have chronic pain and if you don't sleep every night well, you cannot think clearly. This is all connected, of course. But you maybe wonder, what is the cause of your problem in the first place? If your doctor told you that you have fibromyalgia, it means there is an official statement, medical statement. There is no cure for fibromyalgia. How come? What kind of strange illness is this, or disorder? What is it? Peculiar problem. This is 2023, 21st century. How come the medical doctors don't have any solution to your painful problem? Now, if you have no cure for your problem, then what is the cause of your problem? Also, doctors do not know what is the cause of your painful problem. The truth is, your problem has a solution, and that solution is within your mind, within your brain, not in the pharmacy store. Let me just share with you what I know. All my knowledge came from books, and of course some information I found online on Google or whatever it's available for everyone. There is a mind-body connection. Mind-body connection means mind affects body. Your mind affects your body, and also your Mind affects every organ of your body, every cell of your body at any moment. Just think about it. Whatever you think or feel causes your body. And if you have some problems in form of pain or nervousness or poor sleep, all this is a reaction of your body to your thinking, to your mind, or emotional tension. If you heard about Dr. John Sarno, who was a physician, of course, pain doctor, maybe you even read his book calling Healing Back Pain. But if not, here's the story. Dr. John Sarno spent a lot of time just learning what is going on with his patients, why his patients experience pain, and why the pain is not going away even with help of physiotherapy or painkillers. And one day Dr. Sarno began thinking differently. He found that mind affects body. He found that emotional tension, negative emotions such as anger and fear, cause pain. And he came out with his own approach how to help people reduce pain permanently. And after John Sarno, many other doctors continue follow his steps, and they call themselves mind-body doctors. What they say? They say your chronic pain, if you are a healthy, basically healthy person without any physical abnormality, your chronic pain is caused by your mind, by your emotional tension. So how to solve this problem? What to do, you may ask me. The good thing is you don't have to do anything with your stress or with your anger or with your fear, but all you have to do is admit that the cause of your pain is within your brain or mind. That's it. As soon as you admit it and comprehend it deeply enough to feel you got it, your pain should go. How soon? As soon as possible. It could take 1 week or 2 weeks or months, no matter. But please understand, your doctor doesn't know what is the cause of your painful problem. Your doctor doesn't have any cure for your problem. So, if you are not happy with the treatment, official treatment of course, you may try other approach. And if you are interested, you are welcome to contact me for a free consultation. I help people become free of chronic pain without painkillers or therapy. Bye.